Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Friends, welcome back to my channel. I have this cordless drill battery charger, 18 volt. It is not turning on, not charging battery, no indication on LED, DC voltage, no output voltage. Let's fix it. If you don't have good experience in electronics, never try to repair, because here are live voltage. Take care for the safety. Never touch any component when power is applied or power is removed until we verify voltage on this capacitor. If there are voltage, discharge it, then we can work on this board. This fuse, open circuit. Fuse is blown here. DC voltage, no voltage. Yes, these diodes are damaged. M7 diodes. Because its pad is damaged, so I will use regular diode, standard diode. I will not use SMD diode. 1N4007. Cathode here, its cathode here, its cathode here, cathode here. Diode, this terminal here, here. Good. 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 DC rail is good. Now I will replace fuse. Two ampere, 250 volt. Let's apply power. Yes, it is powered on. Check voltage. Yes, 25 volt. Nominal output 25.75. I will set external power supply to approximately 24 volt. Okay, I will set 23 volt. Positive, positive, negative to negative. Now I will increase voltage. Yes, it is disconnecting the charging. The problem, 2 diodes and 1 fuse. Now it's working normal. If you enjoyed this process, give a thumb up. If you have any question, please write in the comments. Thanks for watching. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.